droplets. Impetigo, smallpox, and blood poisoning, اللي هي septicemia, sexually transmitted disease by direct contact. طيب. Contact with an infected person belonging, like athlete's foot or ringworm, also so many diseases more than this. Droplets in the air, cough and sneezers, influenza, tuberculosis, measles, and chickenpox. Contaminated food prepared unhygienically, typhoid fever and poisoning. Contaminated water. When you hear contaminated water, immediately cholera. Contaminated food, typhoid, salmonella. If the microorganism is carried by animals, you can, like the mosquito, malaria, bubonic plague, or rabies. Rabies by the bite of an infected animal. Now, all these are methods that transmit the infected organisms to us. How do we control them? By stopping these infected or contaminated things. First, we have to look at how we can contaminate water, because the sewage can cause, for instance, cholera. Let's take a look about figure 2.5. It shows you a method of the usual method for treating water to be clean. First of all, the water enters. It is filtered from large waste, or large leaves or twigs or wood or whatever pieces that they have. Then they are put in another container. The process here they are processes. First, this is filtration. The next step is coagulation. You put an alum, so it makes particles stick to them and coagulate and go down, become larger. The water then is transferred to another container, which after coagulation we need these coagulants to sediment, so they go down. The rest of the water goes to another container for another filtration, but this time this filtration is by 3 steps or 3 layers: gravel, sand, and charcoal. These 3 layers, when the water passes through them, nothing will pass from the large debris that they